Hey guys! In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best waterproof tapes available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape 4 inches x 10 Black. The Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape works for indoor or outdoor use with equal effect. It's resistant to temperature extremes as well as rain, snow, and UV radiation. This tape can bond to a variety of surfaces without cracking or peeling. The waterproof tape comes in a 10-foot roll that is 4 inches wide with an adhesive designed to form a permanent bond to the material to which it's applied, including plastic, metal, aluminum, rubber, wood, vinyl, glass, steel, and acrylic. Users can apply the tape on hot, cold, wet, dry, or even submerged surfaces, though it will form the strongest seal when the surface is clean and the tape makes complete contact with no wrinkles. It has a flexible polyethylene backing that stretches to form a compression patch on contoured surfaces. Note that the tape can be difficult to tear, so it's better to measure and cut a piece to the correct size instead of fighting with the roll. The second product on our list is Trezon Grip Tape, heavy-duty anti-slip tape. The third product on our list is Flex Tape Rubberized Waterproof Tape.
Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair. You can use Flex Tape on virtually any surface, instantly stopping the toughest leaks. Flex Tape's powerful adhesive is so strong, it even works underwater. You can use Flex Tape for boats, campers, and RVs, and for emergency auto repair. Flex Tape keeps its grip even in the toughest conditions. Flex Tape comes super wide, so you can easily patch and repair huge holes. Flex Tape is no ordinary tape. It grips on tight and bonds instantly. Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that you can patch, bond, seal, and repair.
The fourth product on our list is 360 Tronix Butyl Waterproof Tape 2. The fifth product on our list is Trezon Ferociously Strong Repair Tape. The Trezon Ferociously Strong Repair Tape is a versatile product great for a range of indoor and outdoor repairs, like taping a torn screen or fixing a hole in a tent. The waterproof tape is designed with outdoor applications in mind, even rough and wet surfaces. It also has a clear, UV-resistant backing that prevents the adhesive from drying out and peeling under direct sunlight. This waterproof duct tape comes in a 9-yard roll that is 1.88 inches wide. It can be used on multiple small repairs before needing replacement. It's easy to tear and it has a double-thick adhesive that supports quick and effective application of this waterproof tape on wood, metal, and plastic to create a watertight bond. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time,